Ladies and gentlemen, for the first time in South Beach Seafood Festival history, we have a three-way on the stage. Chef Billy Boyle, coming out of Florida Cookery. Little Louis Lopez out of City Hall. My boy Chef Kareem coming out of the Ocean Air. Battle Fish has begun. 10 minutes on the clock. Get your crudo on.
My name is Billy Boyle. I'm the chef of Florida Cookery at the James Royal Palm. We're all very excited to be a part of the Chef Showdown at the South Beach Seafood Festival. We think we have a good approach. We cook very simply, but with some sophistication, and we like to use the seasonal and the freshest ingredients.
Big bad Billy Boyle, Florida boy, born and bred. Tell me what's going on.
Gonna smoke some Corbina here. Get some quinoa here, little avocado mousse, guajillo, lemon.
As far as Chef Billy at Florida Cookery is concerned, I'm looking forward to his dish because the restaurant is all about local, farm to table. That's all about freshness, and that's all about the skill of cooking.
My name is Chef Kareem Angwin. I currently work at Ocean Air Seafood Room. I'm very excited to be a part of the South Beach Seafood Festival. I love cooking seafood. You know, that's been my experience the last 12 years, ever since I got out of culinary school. So I have a real deep passion for seafood. It's very easy to cook. You know, I like to play with the flavors, so you know, it lends itself well. So.
Tell me what you're doing.
Today we're gonna do some jerk mahi with a little citrus sweet potato and pineapple chutney on top.
That's illegal cooking going on right here.
Jerk can sometimes overpower a fish, so he really has to have a light, deft hand with it.
I'm Chef Luis Lopez. I'm the executive chef of City Hall Restaurant. We are an American bistro with a twist of the South. I will be participating with two other chefs in the Chef Showdown in the fish category, and we're going to be creating for City Hall Restaurant a sesame salmon with other secret ingredients.
Chef Louis, tell me what you got.
We're doing a sesame crusted Atlantic salmon, sauteed bok choy, shiitake jasmine rice, miso glaze, and cashews.
Chef Louis going a little Chinatown on me.
How hard is it to make a decision between chef and chef?
The funny thing is, I go in and I have an idea where I'm going to go, and both times I've gone the other way. So it's not easy.
Really?
It's not easy.
Stay tuned. We'll be back with more from Chef Showdown at the Seafood and Sneakers Ball.